How to use Monday.com for social media management. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use Monday.com for social media management. Now, for example, if you have a social media agency and you need to take care of your contents that you post on the social media platforms and you need to make sure that everything is planned and organized, then Monday.com does a beautiful job in organizing all the social media contents that you have would post, and probably are going to post in the future. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com, and once when you log in, you will be redirected here to this home page. You can see there are multiple boards here that you're working on, but you don't need to open any one of them. You need to go and click here, add item to workspace, board, and then start with the template. And here you have to write social media management or social media planner, and you have to open this board. Now, the beauty of this template is that it's gonna make everything for you custom based, so you don't have to start anything from the scratch. And the awesome thing about this template is also that it can be easily integrated with all the applications, the web applications that people commonly use, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and Adobe Creative Cloud, etc., etc. So these are the screenshots of the template that we're going to use. So we can click here on use template. And now Monday.com is going to do a beautiful job for you by arranging everything and making this template into a reality. So you don't have to start anything at all from the scratch and save ample amount of your time. So here you go. Here we are. This is the main board, and you can see the items are right here. Day 1, day 2, day 3, and posting schedule. These are the posting schedules. This is the post copy. Grow through what you go through. Okay, so these are the post titles that you're going to make. For example, if you make content on the internet, then this is, the days, and these are the scheduled dates. When are you going to post it? And these are, the title of your content. And this is the category. Wow. They also have a category. We can also add categories if you want, like what is the category or niche of this video. Moving on, we also have a lead team that we can assign uh, to the specific content. And this is the image design. Like, for example, if we have a thumbnail or anything for the specific content, we can post it right here and upload it here. And designing status. This is the designing status, that what you need to do. You need to edit brand colors. You need to add logo. If there's something left in designing, and when nothing is left, you can click on ready to schedule and it will be ready for the schedule. And this is the URL, the edit URL that you're going to post. And this is the column of the edited image. If you have created any image while making this content, then you can post it right here. And now here comes your Facebook social media posting status. Like if you have posted the video on Facebook, you can click publish, or if it's scheduled, you can click on schedule. You can see that nowadays you also have a feature on social media that you can upload a video, but then you can schedule it for a later day. So if you have done that, you can click on schedule. If you don't have any idea, you can do that. Or if you have put it for scheduling, it's still under the works, then you can do that. But if you have published the video, you can click on publish and you'll be good to go. Moving on, the same goes with the Twitter posting status. If you have posted it, published it, scheduled it, or if it's still under the works for scheduling, you can do that. Same goes for Instagram posting status, Pinterest posting status, LinkedIn posting status. If you don't have, if you don't work on any of the social media platforms, you can just click here and delete it. So it's going to be removed by itself. For example, I don't work on Pinterest. I don't post content on Pinterest, so I'm going to delete it, and it's going to be removed as it is. So if you finally have the last updated folder, and you can just click on it and let your team members know when it has been updated. So that's also, I would say, very important. So this is the basic gist of how the main board works. You also have a calendar right here that will be generated by taking the data from this main table. Like for example, I have day 2, I have day 3. So I have 2 contents on these days. And likewise, I can just change the dates, and I can see my content calendar from here. And we also have a timeline for the contents, uh, on day 4, day 2. I have these contents in the month of April, and I have to post that. And this is also the timeline. We can also set a timeline for these contents, like what is the timeline for the content creation and publishing. So that's how easy as it is. So this was the main thing. I hope you found this video informative, and this is very easy. You can also, make a social media plan if you want, and it will be auto generated by taking all the data from your main table. Your main table is the main thing. I would say that all the other things are taken by the data in the main table. So that's how it mostly works. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.